Halo sobat meja belajar dimanapun kalian berada. Sebelum kalian nonton video ini, jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe channel ini agar saya lebih semangat lagi dalam membuat video-video bermanfaat lainnya. Serta bantu saya juga untuk mendapatkan 1000 subscriber dan 4000 jam tayang. Ayo kita sama-sama bangun channel ini agar bisa bermanfaat bagi banyak orang. Setuju? Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me, Meja Belajar YouTube channel videos. Today I'm gonna try to make video with English language. Are you joking? No, I'm not joking. And today in this video, I will show you how to increase your watch time on YouTube videos channel. Firstly, you can prepare your videos, long videos. You can download my videos 10 hours nothing videos in description box below, or 1 hours nothing videos, and then you can put your videos, long videos, to your channel. After that, the next step, you must be create some playlists. First, we go to YouTube. After that, we go to library and then scroll down, and we can find new playlist. Click that and then choose your videos. I mean, you can choose long videos or all of your videos to make longer playlist. You can pick your videos on YouTube, on your YouTube channel like this. That's it. And then you can click next and name it some name. I mean, whatever you want name. For example, I choose name is videos, and then for privacy you can change to public and then create it. After that, congratulations, you have a new playlist to make your YouTube watch time YouTube increase. And then can open the browser, anything browser like this, and then you type youtube.com like this. After that, search your channel YouTube. After that, you can click filter, and for kind we choose channel. And here we go, and then we go to playlist, and then we open the new playlist, and then you can wait until all of your playlist finish. And congratulations, your watch time has increasing a lot. Thank you guys. Before you close this video, don't forget like, comment, and subscribe this channel. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.